Yo, what's up? It's your boy Binge Vlogger 2029. Yo, can we get like 5 million likes? I'm gonna unbox the newest, most amazing Fortnite gaming device ever, the Logitech C270. Binge out. Okay, boys, with my amazing unbox powers combined, I am Captain Framin. By the way, vote for your next Super Darna in the next Pinoy Big Darna episode. Bahay ni Kuya edition. Oh no! What? It's got sticker. I cannot kill. Must kill. You use wide angle. Look at that. Boom. Haha. Kill. Killed. Box is killed. This is bench unboxing. Sorry, bench. Drops si bench. Kawawa naman. Oh no. I cannot remove from box. Let's use telephoto. Boom. Hiya! Boom! This super high production unbox. This camera is super low light capable. Not this one. This one. So that's why it's very nice. Let's go normal angle. Boom! This box is like super ayaw matanggal, sir, ma'am. Oh, okay. All right. Let's check it out. Wide angle. So you can see my feet. I don't know what's inside. Forget it. There's our new Ilog. Ilog? Logi. Oh no. The lighting is bad. What shall I do? Wow. There it is. There's our unboxing. Please smash that mother packing like button. Oh, wait, sorry. I need to do. Wait. Gago. Gago. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. Please smash that mother cocking like button. Alright, this has been Binge Unbox 2.0. Alright, amazing E-log webcam. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Like,